Well, warming your home during this intense cold might seem like a no-brainer, but there are ways to mess up your furnace at the worst time. CBS 2's Dana Kozlov went straight to the experts.
Rob and Erica, as the temperatures continue to plummet, you may think you're taking the right steps to keep your house warm. But some experts say those routine steps might actually be doing more harm than good right now.
I got no tripped relays.
Jeremy Ashby is furnace troubleshooting. He expects to be doing a lot of it the next 3 days. Ashby says the first thing to expect as temperatures dive into extreme negative territory is a chilly home, even at a thermostat's regular temperature setting.
Because the outside air is penetrating through the walls of your house. So if you've got a brand spanking new house that is highly wrapped, Energy Star efficient, then you might actually achieve what you're looking for. But these old school houses that you guys have out here in Chicago,
Ashby says resist the urge to crank the thermostat up.
do not do that. You will cause the unit to run in excess. You can cause bigger failures. You can cause major problems to the units. I highly do not recommend you jack your thermostats way up.
He says the safest heating bet is to set your thermostat and keep it there.
So these colder days, like -11 degrees, that furnace may run for an extra hour or two to try to maintain the temperature that you're looking for it to maintain. But it's not designed to run 24 hours nonstop. No furnaces.
Radiators and boilers can have their own set of problems, like this one that sprung a leak.
I just came and seen it was waters on the floor, so I assumed it need to be fixed when the cold weather comes.
So worth repeating, heating experts say set your thermostat to the temperature you want it to stay at for the next few days and don't touch it again. And another thing, if you haven't done it already, change your furnace filters because you don't want them looking like this. On Chicago's West Side, Dana Kozlov, CBS 2 News.